how are you feeling? How excited?
It was brilliant. I mean, it was very, very unexpected. I really thought that was DC's match, but it managed to become a super over.
In the second last over, the match was gone when that six happened. We all thought,
Absolutely unexpected.
what made you sit till there that DC had that?
I mean, box tickets मिल गई तो मतलब बैठ के पूरा मैच ही देखना है.
Any comments on Stark's bowling?
Fantastic bowling. I mean, if it wasn't for him, DC ka super over would have been gone. It was because of them.
Defending 10 runs in the last over, any batsman who's playing at a professional level, he should make 10 runs, but Stark is the one bowler that can restrict them. So, I think fantastic.
Stark was phenomenal. I mean, we all came to see Stark, man. Stark was amazing.
Not only Stark, KL Rahul, when he batted first, got in the super over in the actual game, he was not able to deliver that much. But in the super over, he finished the game.
Super over Stubbs finished.
Stubbs finished it. But
Stubbs was that 6 over. Fuck that. That was a great 6.
what's your name?
Krishan. Manish. Dinesh. Dinesh.
So Delhi, as they named, they have rode today and rode hard in the super over. What is your feeling about the game?
Absolutely excited, and they have won. Yes. Delhi won. Yes.
Stark bowled a perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect super over, and before that, he got a perfect last over as well.
Yes.
What about Stark's bowling?
Amazing. It was a mind blowing. He did it in the super over. If it wasn't for him, things would have been different.
Stubbs both the time in the super over.
Yes,
and also
absolutely,
batting.
yeah. I think Stark was definitely a key player, in the last over, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. स्टार्क की बॉलिंग पहले तो मैच में और उसके बाद सुपर ओवर में भी रन डिफेंड करे 10 रन वहां 11 रन वहां किस तरीके की बॉलिंग
बहुत जबरदस्त बॉलिंग की स्टार्क ने. पहले जैसे 2 बाउंड्रीज भी लगाई, उसके बाद जो उसने सेव किया, मजा आ गया उसमें. क्लास जबरदस्त.
आखिरी में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहा.
एक टाइम को लगा था कि मैच निकल गया सेकंड.
हाँ, वापस आया लास्ट में, फिर वापस बहुत अलग इंटरेस्टिंग था. बहुत
सबका बैटिंग उससे पहले मेन मैच में भी और सुपर ओवर में भी गेम अपनी बैटिंग से फिनिश कर
आखिरी वाले मैच में वापस से और जीत के आए, नहीं तो पहले तो बराबर हो गए थे वो.
Congratulations to DC and the South African had to win it. Well done, Tristan Stubbs.
Tristan Stubbs not only in the main game but also
It is super over. Yes.
made everyone felt his presence in the game. What about his batting?
That was very exciting. That was brilliant.
Also word on Australian Stark because he defended those runs in the crucial time.
Absolutely. I mean, his full balls were perfect. Pulled on line. The free hit was even more brilliant.
Where on do you think that DC is the top contender to win the trophy now?
Yeah, I think they're quite good, but I think it's very open now. Very open. Thank you. God bless.
That was really sick. It was actually my first game live here at Delhi, and amazing experience. I loved it. Absolutely loved it.
How was the atmosphere in the final overs?
Crazy, absolutely insane. Loved every minute of it.
The second last over, the game was gone.
Yeah, it was so
But
crazy.
from there, Stark pulled it on. What about Stark?
We love
Two
Stark.
goals.
He saved the game. What a comeback, and what wickets in the super over also. We love Stark.
Sir, the game was completely gone at a time. From there on to the first super over of the tournament and from winning it.
Fantastic, and I really loved the super over. That was fantastic, and particularly Stark was excellent.
The game from the last over was like breathtaking. Every moment the blood pressure was going up and down, and finally this is the result. Thank you very much.
Sir, the local young boys from Delhi believe that Delhi is the biggest contender to win the trophy this time.
Sure, this I'm sure.
I hope so. We have the same feeling. Delhi is going to win, and my good wishes to the Delhi team and Rahul.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my dear. All the best.
Can we see
Thank
all
you.
the-
My name is Harsh and I want to say something about Mitchell Stark. Mitchell Stark bowled very good and took many wickets. I loved his bowling and he is the best. DC will win. Yes, when he pulled it on, I thought, for the first time, I thought we're gonna lose. But when Mitchell Stark pulled it on, I knew it and we were going to win. Even
Do you think that Delhi Capitals is going to win his first IPL trophy this time?
yes.
Yes, DC this time. DC will win this time.
DC will get this time.
Okay, bye-bye. Rajasthan Royals और Delhi Capitals.
दिल्ली तू रोर मचा.
Rajasthan Choo! Rajasthan Choo! Rajasthan Choo! guys. Cheers.
अक्षर पटेल ने बहुत अच्छा खेला, हमारे कप्तान थे, और कल राहुल अच्छी विनिंग शॉट लगाया उन्होंने, 6 मारकर मैच को सुपर ओवर होने के बाद विनिंग 6 जो लगाया उन्होंने, मैच देखने में मजा आ गया, विनिंग 6 में मजा आया।